Goedemorgen, dames en heren. Your table in front of you. Put the back of your seat in the most upright position and open the window blinds. Due to privacy reasons, it's not allowed to take pictures or video recordings from crew and passengers without permission. To bring you to destination safely, we follow instructions and guidelines from the Dutch government. Therefore, it's required to wear a face mask over nose and mouth at all times while on board of this aircraft. Also respect all visual signs on board and follow instructions given by the crew. May we now have your attention for our safety instructions. Should you have any questions after seeing these instructions, we'll be happy to answer them. We will show you how to fasten your seatbelt, tighten it and unfasten it. Leave the aircraft as quickly as possible. A safety instruction card can be found in the seat pocket. Review the content of this card, which includes the brace for impact position before takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant flight. verlichting van het teken riemenvast is uitgedaan. Houdt u rekening mee bij het openen van de bagagevakken dat er handbagage uit kan vallen. Roken is toegestaan wanneer u het luchthavengebouw heeft verlaten. Dan volgt u op de luchthaven lokale aanwijzingen op en draagt u ook het mondmasker. Namens Transavia, gezagvoerder dames en bemanning, neem ik afscheid van u. Hoop dat u een goede vlucht heeft gehad en wens u nog een fijne dag toe en graag tot ziens. Ladies and gentlemen.